Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, my name is Nana Amelia. My student ID number is 20030500040. I'm an English Education Department student of Universitas Maritim Raja Ali Haji. And now, I wanna explain you about review a journal. Alright, the title of the journal is Improving Student Speaking Skill by Using Their Spoken Audio Recording in the Middle Schools. This journal is written by Kristanto Wahyu Widiawan and Elisa Hartati from English Education Department, Faculty of Teacher Training and Education Mercu Buana Universitas of Yogyakarta. Alright, and then this journal was published by Journal of English Language Education.
Alright, now we start with abstract. The background of the study was based on phenomenon at the 8th grade students of SMP Bob Grigorian. Some of them were still too shy or even discouraged to speak in English because they did not have enough idea of what to speak. It used their own idea, voice recording in the teaching English speaking to activate students' ability in speaking English, so they will have something to speak. It will give positive outcome toward the problem. This was classroom action research. The object of this study is 18 class students of SMP Bob Grigorian. The methods of collecting data were using tests and observation. The result of this study showed that there was a progress of students' achievement after being taught by using their spoken audio recording. Using the students' speaking ability because they become easier to express what they are going to say based on the prompt from us. Alright, now we move to introduction. In this globalization era, we need regular communication across nations and all over the world. As the international language, English also plays an important role in our life. Many research show that Indonesian students commonly have not attained a good spoken English speaking. In teaching and learning process, media are needed to improve the students' ability from the era of teaching. There are conventional methods and contemporary methods. To distinguish between the conventional methods with contemporary methods can be seen in terms of planning, process, product, and evaluation of teaching. The modern teaching approach must be oriented to students and not to the material. In contemporary approach, which is oriented approach to students, the preparation of teaching by teachers should be hosted by the business of preparing the material. Preparing material is the less lived, acceptable, and interesting for the students. From the teaching process, conventional methods usually make the students not active but passive. Alright, now about methods. This study required classroom action research involving a process of self-monitoring that generally include planning, acting, observing, and reflecting an issue or problem to improve practice. We allege that action research should result immediately. It should be specific result. It has the relation with the active, and it can be good reference for teachers. Mills also state that teachers could collect information about the suitable method to teach in particular schools, and able to apply how the teachers teach and how the students learn. We choose SMP Bob Grigorian since the English teaching and learning at this school was still conventionally presented with oral exercise by these school teachers. They were not supported by contemporary media such as gadgets, audio recorder, compact discs, and etc. As a result, the students could not do self-assessment or self-evaluation of their speaking production as well as the teachers. He cannot assess or evaluate the students' speaking failure accurately. The students were getting bored with the conventional or old teaching seat. It was hard for the students to imitate the recorded. It was hard for the teachers to assess the students' work in the form of written dialogue when teaching speaking. Alright, in this study, we use quantitative data in the interpreting the result of pre-test, post-test, and the effective test. The result of pre-test and post-test taken from the test given. They were scored as follows: 1. Student score, 2. Average score, 3. Speaking scoring rubric, 4. Questionnaire score. Alright, about finding and discussion. We conduct 2 cycles to improve the students' speaking skill. Each of cycle was done by doing tests based on the data. When we compared to the first cycle results, there was an improvement on the students' speaking skill. In the second cycle, the students showed better improvement. They had less phonetic and phonemic errors, more appropriate words, had less errors of morphology or syntax, spoke more natural, and they will also have better comprehensible speech. The class activity in the second cycle was also more conducive than in the first cycle. They also had more self-confidence when delivering speech during the recording session in the cycle 2. By observation, the average score that already reached the KKM of 70. We decided to finish and would not give another cycle. Besides conducting 2 cycles to see improvement of the students' interest in using their spoken audio recording, it was also needed to see whether or not the students were interested with the media. We used effective objective evaluation to obtain a direct measures to attitude by asking the students to rate an interest of an object. We interested that the students were interested in learning speaking through their spoken audio recording. Alright, next is conclusion. Based on the result of data calculation on the previous chapter, the conclusion can be explained as follows. First, it was about the students' activity in speaking learning process by using their spoken audio recording at the 8th grade students of SMP Bob Prigodian. In the beginning, the students' speaking skills were very low. They had less motivated to speak in English fluently. They were too shy in expressing their feelings in English. They were also afraid of making mistakes in their language production. But after being taught by their spoken audio recording, the students' speaking skills were improved. In the end of the cycles, there was a recording in the teaching speaking, and because the result was higher than KKM of 70, so we decided to finish the cycles. Second, it was about the student interest in learning speaking by using their spoken audio recording at the 8th grade students of SMP Bob Prigodian. The result of the students' interest in learning speaking by using their spoken audio recording, we interpreted that the students were interested in learning speaking through their spoken audio recording. By considering that the appropriate spoken language content must be based on the target language will be learned. These research findings are recommended for those who will conduct and research related to the spoken audio recording as teaching media if the students have a social network group on the internet. The next researches can be it to discuss and share the students' spoken audio recording contents one another. Alright guys, I think that's all for me about review journal. I hope you all can understand about why I explain. Thank you for your kind attention. See you on next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.